Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing okay. Today in the kitchen we are going to be making Huevos Rancheros. Sick, I know, right? The main ingredient, not main ingredient, but like the ingredient I chose to slam on the counter today was refried beans. I have a pound here, which sounds like a lot, but it really makes like maybe four Huevos Rancheros. Okay, anyways, onto a cutting board. We are going to chop up two pretty big tomatoes. We're going to make our salsa first, our homemade salsa, like a chunky salsa, because there are two different types we're using in this recipe. These are just, I'm pretty sure, like yellow orange tomatoes that I grew in my garden this summer. They're pretty good. They're like super juicy. They're honestly like some of the best tomatoes I've harvested ever. So yeah, you just want to dice those up, make sure they're all roughly the same size, and just scrape them into a bowl when they're all chopped up as you would. Then onto the cutting board, we're going to grab a good sprig, I guess, well, sprig is singular, isn't it? We're going to grab a bushel, a bunch, a handful of cilantro, and we're just going to chop that up so everything is roughly the same size again. Then we are going to cut and squeeze one lemon into our salsa bowl. And you're just going to dice up half a white onion. I'm pretty sure you could use red as well. It's like a super simple recipe, it's stupid easy for this salsa at least. And then Huevos Rancheros is definitely easier than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this was my first time making it, so it was like super easy to follow along with. And then when everything's in your bowl, you're just going to mix that around and make sure everything's coated in the lemon juice, and then we're going to sprinkle about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. And it really depends on how you like your salsa. If you want more lemon juice in it, add more lemon juice. If you want more tomatoes, add more tomatoes. Salsa is very flexible, so make sure to taste it. Now we are going to crack open our can of refried beans, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So if this is your first time working with it, it has a little liquid at the top, and it's like springy on the top, so like, that's fine. We're gonna go to the stove now. Stove time, let's go. In a stovetop pan, what other type of pan would there be? We are going to add a good bit of olive oil. And again, it's on low heat. Well, it's starting on medium-high heat, and then we're going to decrease it to low. As you can see, I'm just scraping the refried beans in. The liquid that was at the top almost looks like egg whites when it's cooking. I kind of want to try that out, but I doubt it would work the way I want it to, because it's probably just like fat, right? So I don't think it would work that way. But like that, imagine if that was like vegan egg. Like actual, I don't know, sorry, this is what happens when my mind just goes. So while that's heating up, it's going to get much softer, and you're going to be able to spread it out all over your pan, just like this. And then when it's as spread out as you can get it, we're going to add some more olive oil on top. And we're just going to fold that in, mix it around, make sure you can't see any more of the olive oil, and then again, just smooth it out. As you know already, just some more olive oil on top. Then we're just going to turn the camera over just a little tiny bit, and we're going to warm up 2 tortillas, because I'm going to show you 2 ways to make it. As you can see, I have these little itty bitty baby tortillas, and it's a tortilla. That's what it looks like. If you don't know what a tortilla looks like, that's what it is. As you can see, I broke my second tortilla in half accidentally, but it's still warmed up fine. Just ignore that. Then into our cast iron pan, we are going to add some oil, just canola, vegetable, whatever you have. I would definitely add more than I did, because stuck, my eggs stuck into the pan, which was really cool. But, you know, you live, you learn. And we're just going to cook those until they are nice and still, like, you know, runny, but they're not completely raw on the top. And then when it's almost time to assemble, we are going to take some of our refried beans and we're going to spread that all over our tortilla. And then we're going to get our egg and we're going to try not to break the yolk. As you can see, it's sticking, obviously, so I was trying not to pop it. There we go. And we're just going to place that right in the middle. So I cooked the other egg and I put it in the middle, like as you do. Okay, so here I just have some, I guess, taco seasoned meat, pulled chicken. It's my mom's like secret chicken recipe. I'll leave a recipe down in the description that's like as close as I can get it, that looks about the same. She made this because this is her recipe, so she made it for me for breakfast, so thanks for that. Thanks Mom. So to assemble, I'm just going to place some of the chicken around the egg. You can also put this on top of the refried beans and then put the egg on top of that, so then it's like stacked, if that makes sense. So now I have some jarred salsa, as, yeah, you know, the typical jarred salsa that you would get at the store. I'm just going to put that in the line, and then on top of it, as you can see, I didn't, it hurts so much to watch. I didn't drain my salsa, like my homemade salsa. I should have. I wish I did, but I didn't. So it's a little runny, and oh my god, that's so frustrating. Okay, and then I just put that on top of that salsa, and then we're going to add some sour cream on top. And then some queso fresco. And there is the first one. That's how I make it for my family, but I'm vegetarian, so I'm going to show you how I make mine, which is, it's easier, I guess. It's just no meat if you're a vegetarian. And I also don't like egg yolks, but like, that's just me. Anyways, I also set it up differently, so I did one line of salsa, and then I did another line of salsa, crossing it, almost, you know, framing our egg, making it look artistic, as you do. I'm also trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you could click subscribe, that'd be pretty cool. So yeah, if you're doing that. And then on top, I just drizzled some more sour cream and some avocado crema. And then topped with, you know, our queso fresco. And then that's it. So as I said before, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you stay safe. I hope you had a good day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!